Hey, I'm gonna go do a little exploring once again. Didn't have my camera on. I literally I haven't even stepped on my trail. And I flushed. I don't know. Oh, there it goes. Oh, I see him in the tree. There's a rough grouse right in the tree. But my sweetheart and my two dogs are on the other side of the woods. I think there's several, but we'll flush him. See him? He's probably immature. Hey, grouse. Hey, grouse. Yeah, see, that's a young one. I probably can't see him up in that tree. You know what, bud? We're gonna spare you. You and your buddies. Look at that. See, viewers, I am a very nice guy. I could shoot that grouse out of that tree and close my eyes and probably do it. But he's a youngster. We'll let him go. We'll see if he flushes naturally. He will. Yeah, I think there's where'd that guy go? Well, you know what? Like I said, we'll let those guys go. I'm a nice grouse hunter. But now my whole goal here is to keep blazing trail. I'm not going to be cutting trail today. I'm just going to be hanging some flags. And finally today's the first day of fall. Prior it was 90 degrees, mosquitoes and flies and all the vegetation. It was absolutely brutal. Night and day difference. Beautiful. It's actually about 45 degrees. It was a little chilly in the cabin last night, but wow, how exciting, man. I tell you, last weekend, the second I stepped on the trail, flushed a woodcock. I was like, didn't have the camera going, of course not. But I'm glad that grouse was able to hang out, and hopefully I got a little bit on camera, but if not, there'll be more. And a couple weekends ago, October 7th, my brother's coming up with his dog, Croy, English setter, and he's getting on in years. I think he's about 13, but probably his last hunt. But that'd be great to get some birds shot over him and get it on video, and love to be able to, get a bird and then mount it and give it to my brother, for a present. That'd be real cool. Yeah, I was doing this kind of trail last week, and it's wet and it sucks still, even though it's cool out, but I'm just gonna keep on walking. What we really need is one of those, the weed whippers with the chainsaw blade. I got the blade and I got a couple weed whippers, but it's a 1-inch arbor, and I need, both my weed whippers are some smaller size, so it doesn't work. But yeah, I just got to get the hell through this lowland garbage. What's nice though now is got a GPS unit, and gives me a little bit more confidence. I have the cabin, hooked on, located or you know, marked as a waypoint, so shouldn't get lost. Put my gun down here someplace. Never have too many of these fucking trail markers, I tell you what, especially in this tag alder and dogwood. Everything looks the same. Yeah, this is real fun walking. Time for another flag. And this place would be great, like in the winter, when all this freezes, because the deer love dogwood. Like candy to them. We got a ton of rain last week. As you can see, this a lot of water. Okay, there's a old flag of mine. Holy shit. Let's see. Looking at my compass. West, yep. Still heading in the right direction. Okay. Right. Well, I think I'm finally out of that fucking swamp. Thank goodness. Start putting out a few more trail markers here. This almost looks like a natural game trail right here. You'll probably follow that. God, I'm still just so pumped up that those grouse were there. I think there was two, but you could definitely tell just by, you know, their feathers that they were youngsters and naive at best. So I'm going to shut the camera off for a second here and continue venturing. You know what? I think I finally made it to a potential treehouse spot. You know, I'm back quite a ways, but now I'm out of the lowland, and you can see these nice pine trees here. And man, if I shave those up, looks like, man, I can definitely, for certain, use these three trees, you know, as a platform base. I mean, they're definitely nice and thick. Oh, this could be a great spot. And what I'm noticing is, you know, once I get out of that lowland, you know, there is a lot of tag alders, but lots of birch and poplar popping up. Got a bunch of, you know, my GPS spots marked, and crossing my fingers I'm still on my own property, but I'll go back and kind of confirm everything with my, you know, we got like a map when they did the, whatchamadinger estimate, the hell do you call it? Appraisal. There you go. All right, boy, like I said, it's, you never have too many of these flags, you know, when it's thick like this. So I'm just gonna follow the flags back. I was really hoping I'd see a grouse out this way. Because boy, they'll be, I don't even know what that is exactly, what kind of berries, but I know the grouse love them. All right, well, we're just gonna play follow the flag back. I tell you, it's so nice to have a GPS unit. I finally got one. My brother borrowed me an old Dakota 10, but it works great. You know, it's probably at least 10 years old, but it got a touch screen and it does everything that I want. But, you know, before I was just flying blind, and it's probably more stupid than anything. Wasted a lot of time. And I got lost. I shouldn't say lost, but definitely turned around. Kept walking up my neighbor's property, up on the road, and so now it's like, if I do get turned around, I got the cabin, you know, already locked into this thing. I could just like, bring me home. Another flag. I think we gotta go through this thick stuff. Another flag. Good, good. All right, where's the next one? Let's see. Oh, there it is. Put another one close. Glad I did. What I need to do is get my trail cameras out here, because this is definitely a natural game trail here. All right, here we go. Another flag. Okay. Right. Where in the fuck is my next one? Let's see. Yeah, I don't remember that hole there. Ah, I see it good. You know what though? That's one of my older flags there. Oh, there we go. Back on course. Cool. Back where I kind of finished hacking. Woo! That's some fucking work. Well, my neighbor Tom must be up. I hear that chainsawing again. I'd actually like to talk to him.